Grammar quiz. The past perfect continuous tense. Fill in the blanks using the past perfect continuous tense. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Number 1. We blank TV when the electricity went off. Is it A has watched, B has been watching, C had been watching, or D were watching? The correct answer is C had been watching. We had been watching TV when the electricity went off. 2. The zookeeper blank the baby croc when he found a cut. Is it A was been examining, B has been examining, C had been examining, or D were been examining? The correct answer is C had been examining. The zookeeper had been examining the baby croc when he found a cut. 3. Zach blank in the sun when it started to rain. Is it A relaxing, B is relaxing, C has been relaxing, or D had been relaxing? The correct answer is D had been relaxing. Zach had been relaxing in the sun when it started to rain. 4. They blank for ages before they were caught by their mum. Is it A had been digs, B had been digging, C had been digged, or D had been dug? The correct answer is B had been digging. They had been digging for ages before they were caught by their mum. And 5. Lucy blank non-stop until she got too tired. Is it A had been revising, B has been revising, C had been revised, or D was been revising? The correct answer is A had been revising. Lucy had been revising non-stop until she got too tired. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.